Welcome to BC Rehearsal, everybody. Rehearsal is going to be real short. I got to go. But count three. 1, 2, 3. Crown Heights, Bed-Stuy, East New York, Utica, Brooklyn. Let's go. I got the Brooklyn soul. You got the Brooklyn soul. We all got the Brooklyn soul. I feel the energy of the people right here. Spiritual vibes. Hard times we rise. Hard times we Hard times we rise. We got the Brooklyn soul. Hey everybody, coming up, BC Original Rehearsal, and I want to introduce you to my new guitar, my new green guitar, everybody. I'm so excited. I want to say thank you, you, my fans, my supporters. Thank you so much. This is going to be a short rehearsal. Got lots to do. I want to talk to you and let you know, oh, we're recording live. I gotta pick this up, everybody. Tune back, everybody. Bye-bye. Till then, you count your matter. Stay green.